Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn, and today's video is a hectic what's on my iPhone 14 Pro. And I only say hectic because I don't even know what's on this phone for real. So you're gonna see what you're gonna see, okay? So I got the purple iPhone 14 Pro not too long ago, I'm not gonna lie. I just had to switch my iPhone because it was acting up, like the disrespect, honestly. But before we go ahead into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, because once you miss this train, once you miss the land train, then that's it. That's it for you. Like, I'm not coming back to come get you, baby. So you better subscribe now before it's too late. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know I do have a video out of me unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro in the color purple. Before this video is uploaded, you should be able to see it. So if you have not checked that out yet, go ahead after this video and go check it out. Go ahead and enjoy that. Leave a like, a comment, and you know, if you're not subscribed, we're just gonna have to fight. Like, that's it. Because come on, 2 videos already you watching, you're not subscribed. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the screen recording. Let's count down. Ooh, I don't know what's gonna be on this phone, y'all. Ooh. 3, 2, 1, and we're in. Okay, so this is, you know, I got the news over here, of course, got the weather, learn more about your photo, whatever, all that good stuff. So on this section right here, I got my little stuff, the little things that it comes with. When I first get an iPhone, I do uninstall some things because I don't be using them. I'm like, why are you on my phone? Like, why are you using up my space? But other than that, I do have the basics on this page. Nothing important about that. And I know if you guys probably noticed from your iPhone, I switched my iPhone stuff down here. So I put my photos over here, and like, I don't like Apple Music down there because I'm so used to thinking that my photo's right there. We're not gonna go in there, so let's move on to the next section. So I do have my home section in here. This just includes like how to get into the I live in I live in a gated community, so I got my gatewise so I can get in easily. I got my resident portal so I can pay my rent on time, boo boo. I got my Life 360 because I be seeing where my man is at. Like, where you at, boo boo? We do live together, but I be checking. It's really for safety reasons. Then my apartment comes with this thing called Be Rewarded, so I be up on there. This is boring stuff. We got parcel, that's how I get my packages and stuff, and Reliant for parking and all that good stuff. So over here is my business section. This is where the magic happens. I'm not gonna say too much on it, but y'all see in a couple months what I was talking about from this video. Okay, so let's just get out of there. I got my Shopify, I got my Squarespace. We're just not gonna talk on it too much. Just know I got something real nice coming for y'all. Next, I got working. I got my ADP because I do work a job right now. That is a short-term goal right now. I moved out to Texas. I got a job. I love my job. I am a teacher, and it's great. Okay, it's amazing. But other than that, I got a little group chat that we got right here. I'm not gonna click on it because they a little reckless in there. And I have my other job. I do have 2 jobs. I only work 1 right now. My second one is very optional if I want to work. If I don't, that's also teaching, just so you guys know. And of course, I got the Indeed up there on there because what I'm saying, you need Indeed all the time, every time, just in case. I don't like every other app, but yeah. And then I got the Amazon seller. We're not even gonna speak on it. Then in this one, I got my medical, I got my 1-800 contacts, got my Texas benefits, I got my period stuff, Flow. I'll be using Flow. Yes, I be logging in that hole real good because I be trying to, like, am I pregnant? Like, what I'm saying? I be trying to figure it out. Then I got my finances. I got my banks, plural, because I do got a lot. If you ever tried Rocket Money, it's just like, it's the same name, the same company, but I forgot the name, so we're just gonna go past that. But Rocket Money, I say get that. It helps you keep track of your money and all that good stuff. Got Credit Karma so I can check my credit every time. Got my Capital One app so I can be on there, pay my bills on there. Got PayPal because I just learned that PayPal lets you get your check a few days early. My check be coming on Wednesday. I be like, oh, okay. And then I got Pay Active. Yeah. I got my navigation, where you want to rent cars or Uber, Lyft, whatever. This is for when I lived in Boston, so my old apartment, just in case I gotta get up in there. And then this is for taxes. It just has an whatever. This is for taxes, and let's move on to utilities. I got the usual calculator, numbers, voice memos. I don't really use this stuff, that's why it's in there. Then I got my text now for my fake numbers for stuff that I need to do, none of your business. Don't worry about why I got other numbers. And then we got our notes, our Google Drive, and our Grammarly. I definitely suggest using Grammarly. Put that on your phone, put that on your laptop. I got that on both of mine. Every phone I get, I make sure I got that. Grammarly really helps with you when it comes to like writing essays, paragraphs, even a sentence. It's gonna correct you, make sure you're doing it the right way. So I say get that. And my notes, I use my notes up real good. Like, that's my baby right there. That's like my little diary. Like, all my ideas and everything be up in there, everything. Then, we got the App Store and the Apple Store, so I can buy some Apple things. And, I got my utilities, got my Verizon. I actually don't need that anymore because I'm on AT&T now. AT&T, but I did have Verizon for like 2 years maybe. But I had to switch over to AT&T because something was going on with my account. And I don't got time for that. That's why I got this new phone. I was like, time for a new phone, time for a new account. And then I got my electricity that I pay. And then over here, this is all my YouTube stuff. Like, I got Fonto, Pixel. Not everything in here that I use, but most things I go back to or whatever. I check it out. And then this is also YouTube stuff in here for the Vita. Now I'm using Vita right now currently, and I'm loving it. Like, it's lit. So I used to use, what's it called, KindMaster and like stuff like that. When I first started YouTube, I didn't like iMovie, so I just didn't use it. Yeah. Let's move on to vehicle. So with this, I do got my Carfax because we're looking at buying cars and stuff like that. This is also, I think Carla is another either another car rental thing or another thing just about cars. I don't really remember. And then I got my fixed account. Listen, ladies, men, whoever, get you a fixed account, get you a fixed sensor. Yeah, so when you put in your car, nobody's gonna be playing you. You know exactly what's wrong. It's gonna tell you exactly what's wrong, and it's also gonna tell you whatever that you need, how much it might cost, all of it. I suggest getting fixed. And I only know about it because of, one, there's commercials going around now, but this YouTuber I watch, Glamour, what's her name? Her name is Nikki Glamour, and she put me on real good. Real good. So next over, we got homework, because your girl's in school. Like, I'm in school, yes. So I got this right here, the first one, Google Classrooms. That's actually my brother's, and I be up on there checking his grades like a good big sister that I am. Make sure he's getting A's and only A's. And then that's also, the second one is also his, the student one, just so I can see anything that's missing and stuff like that. And then the last one that says student, that's mine because, I'm getting my CDA right now because obviously I'm a teacher, so I got my CDA. I don't know if I want to do this for the rest of my life. I know what I want to do. I want to be a content creator. So this is really a backbone, something to follow off on. And also, where I work, I get to use this for free. I get to get my degree for free. I'm getting it in April. That's when my classes are done. In April, my classes are done. It's 3 courses, and it's for free, honey, because who was paying for school? Not me. I'm not doing it. Not trying to get in no school debt. And I haven't been paying for school at all because I got a Massachusetts grant, I believe. And so thankful for that. Now, let's move on to packages, where all the good stuff be coming, you know what I'm saying? So, shop. You got to get you a shop because that's how you know where your package is at. Like, that's not the only thing, but I like using that. And then Afterpay and Klarna, get those. My limit on there is very high, and that's very helpful for building credit, for helping you manage your money. Like, say you don't want to spend a whole bag on one thing, split it up in payments. Because at the end of the day, it's helping your credit, and that's how you get them big credit cards, baby. That's how you get them things. So that's what I'm doing right now, working on my credit. And then, I got Amazon up in here just because Amazon is the plug. Then I got music. I don't really listen to music like that anymore. I'm too busy. But I used to love music, so I used to listen to my Apple Music, my SoundCloud, my, what's it called? I would say Spotify. Yes, Spotify, all that. And now, the next part we got over here is sugar daddies. Listen, let's mind your business and I'll mind mine. But since you up in my business right now, since you in my phone, I'm gonna just go ahead and say I got Black and I got Tinder. And you already know why. You see by the title, sugar daddies and sugar mamas. I'm gonna add that, sugar daddies and sugar mamas, because do you know where I'm living at? Texas. And I'm gonna give me a hot old man, hot old white man or black man. Don't matter. Give me all. I don't care what you are. Come over here. Let me spend your money. Like, let me get that. And yes, my man is okay with it. No, he's not. All right, let's ignore that. Let's ignore that. Next, I got my socials. You know, I got Facebook, Instagram. I did just make a new Instagram, so go ahead and follow it. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Go ahead and follow that. It's called the Just Lynn, just because I want to say it's Just Lynn, but someone stole it, and I really just wanted to say Just Lynn, and someone stole that, so whatever. And then, you know, I got my Snapchat, got my Messenger, my Twitter, TikTok, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna put all my socials on the screen or down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me. You know, I'll be posting stuff now. I'm really that bitch. I'll be posting stuff now, so go ahead and support. What are you doing? Like, go ahead and support. Over here, you know, I got my Roku, got my YouTube, got my Netflix, my Cura, or whatever you said, Pinterest, all that good stuff, because that's very much needed. I love YouTube, like literally on there all the time. And Netflix, I be on there. You know, they got this weird thing that they got going on where they're gonna start charging you more for, like, if you have like different locations on your app. You know, people sign in different locations. Like, am I paying for this or what? You know what I'm saying? But other than that, then I got food, you know, got the Uber Eats, got the DoorDash, got the Instacart, got the Fetch Rewards. If you're not using Fetch Rewards, what are you doing? Because, honey, I be racking up on the receipts. I don't even throw receipts away. So when this came out, I was like, oh, yeah, I need this. Might as well get some money for the receipts that I'm hoarding. And then, you know, I got my CVS pharmacy for my prescriptions or anything that I need. And my HEB, because that's where I shop at now since I moved to Texas. Next, we got shop. This is sneakers and GOAT, just because my boyfriend loves sneakers and stuff like that, and me too. So these, we be on there looking at new deals or anything that they have going on, like sales, new shoes, any shoes that we wanted on there. So you missed out, you don't see at the stores, it's on there. Then we got font. That's a font. So we got photo. This is how I edit my photos. I don't use the first or second one. I use Lensa now because I really fuck with it. It's really good. It doesn't do too much because we're just trying to brighten the photo up a little bit. And then we got Flip. I downloaded Flip because it keeps popping up and I'm like, maybe I want to try it out. I did make an account and everything, but I haven't started on there yet. But I'll keep you guys updated, see if it's worth it for you to download if you want to. It's basically you make money from buying products that you see when you're scrolling up, and when you post a review, that's how you get paid. So we'll see. And then I got Sephora because, you know, I love Sephora. I be getting the skin products on there, you know, the Ordinary, baby. That's the good stuff. You need to hop on it. And just so you guys know, I do like Sudoku. So watch yourself. I ain't getting old or nothing. It's just, it's good now. Like, when I was younger, I've been trying to figure out how to use it. And I just didn't know. But now I do. So, you know, I got my little game. I haven't been on there. This is a new, hold on. This started over because I don't know where I was at, but on my old phone, that's what I had it. But on this one, and I was going through there good, by the way. But this one, it's restarted, and I felt some type of way. I didn't feel like starting it again. So it's just empty, no new game. And yeah, that's what we got going on, y'all. Like, this is what's my phone looking like. And, you know, I got my photos. We can't be up in there because, you know, I got some missed calls, got some messages. You know, I got my Safari search. That's what I use. I don't really like Chrome. Even though it's here, it's just there just to be there. That's why you see it's not downloading. Other than that, y'all, it's 7 o'clock. I'm a dot. I need a crack rock. Nah, but let me stop screen recording. And, you know, it's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you've seen some apps that you may want to download. Maybe you want to try it out. A lot of the apps on here I do use, a lot of them I don't. If you want an in-depth video on apps like editing apps for YouTube, like if you're trying to start YouTube, even for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Instagram, like all that good stuff, I got you, because I do have a lot of apps. I try a lot of apps, and I don't know if I told y'all, but right now, this phone that I got, listen, let me just say, I have a lot of photos, like a lot. So before I get off track, anyways, let me know if you want that. I can make a video, an in-depth video on editing apps that are really good for either for your thumbnail, for your banner, for your YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok, all the good stuff. YouTube Shorts, let me not forget that, because I'm on there now and I really love it. It's great. So if you are interested in that, I will make a video on that. Just let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know down below if you have any of these apps on your phone, or if you're interested in any of them, and go ahead, download them. Let me know. Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hold on. Let me slow down. But like I was saying, I have a lot of photos. So my last phone, I had 40,000, I believe, on my phone. So this new phone, and I ran out of storage. So this new phone, I decided to get the highest amount. I believe I got the highest amount. Let me go see. Because let me tell you. Oh, this is the wrong phone. Okay, I lied. I have 50,102 photos, videos, all that on my phone. I have 50,000 photos, videos, etc. on this phone, the black one. So when I got this phone, I was like, let me not play. Let me get the biggest amount that they got. So right now I got 1 terabyte of storage right now. And that's because it's very important. Like, I'm a content creator now, and storage is a big thing. Like, I feel like in these YouTube videos, nobody really discusses how important storage is, like how big it can be, and like, you know, hacks and stuff like apps to use or whatever, things to buy to help you with that. Because once you run out of storage, that is it. You gotta do the most to get some storage. So I got the biggest amount, and honestly, I can do an in-depth video of like what to get for storage, like the best things, what to do, what to look out for, like on apps. Just let me know. I can do a whole thing on YouTube and like getting started and what is needed, especially things that people do not talk about, that I still do not see to this day, like people going in depth about, and I feel like it's very important. So because it stopped me on my road with YouTube. Now I'm good, girl. I got my 1 terabyte, you know what I'm saying? Got my camera right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below any apps that you are interested in, any apps that you see that I have, that you have. If you have any questions about them, let me know, because I probably know the answer. I download a lot of apps and I use a lot of apps. And also, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in beauty, lifestyle, fashion, vlogs, all the good stuff. Subscribe now, because I will be coming out with content 2 times a week. I do post on shorts a lot now. I'm going to niche it down to beauty and fashion on my TikTok and my Instagram Reels, and on here on YouTube Shorts. So don't miss out. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications, honey. Bye.